Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find tips on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Clip Studio Paint application icon on the top left side on the screen. And click to the Clip Studio tips button on the left side on the screen. Here you can find more useful tips, for example vector line drawings, character drawing and vector layers. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.